how to change country region on the iPhone 17 series. Now from the home screen, tap on settings. Then we scroll down and tap on general. After that, scroll down, then tap on language and region. From here, tap on region. Then scroll down the list and select a region that you want to use. You can also use the search button to search for that region. And then tap on change to that region, and here the phone will go ahead and set the region. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Now changing the region on the iPhone affects several system features. So it's not just cosmetic, it can actually unlock or hide certain functions, such as you'll be able to receive Apple News. So because Apple News only available in certain countries. Fitness Plus, availability, specific Siri features, or App Store apps limited to some countries will be unlocked once you select the correct region. And that's it. Thank you for watching.